I made them from wood. They can drive, play music, and they have lights. I've never studied about it. I just do it. And I dreamed that I was driving them, so normally I would draw them, but I just decided to make them. I wanted to make the real ones, but I don't have the resources and the materials, so I made the little model ones. They are made of wood, plywood and Solitex. And the plastic that you see here is the power energy drink, adrenaline power energy drink. That's the bottle that I used to make this, the blue bottle. And you can see the label of the drink right here. I get the bulbs from flashlight, and the wheel now I made it from the plastic pipe, and the tires I made from the bicycle tire. The music, I get a boombox circuit board and put in my dashboard, and can connect the phone to it. And the speaker now is in here for this one, and this one speaker is in the trunk.
So you're able to use the phone to drive the car?
Yes, sir.
And you're able to operate a sound system from out of the car?
Yes, sir. Or you get the phone to drive it. The music box, I connect the part where the sound comes out of it. And like when you start playing music, the speaker always, it can go in or out. So when the music starts play and the speaker, I have a small speaker where when you go out, I connect a wire on it and put a long piece crossway, so when you go up, you connect to it. And then that is an electric switch that I create. The motor, for this one I get out of a remote car, but the wood is too heavy for it, so I have to upgrade it. I have to join two motors together and put two bigger magnets on it. And this one is an electric gel battery. It should be fast enough that you have to run it down, but the battery it can take 20, it should get 20 volt, but I can give it 30, but you only have turn off a 5 volt.
What type of battery?
Phone battery. For the rough road, well, if it in real life, like you're going to the country area, like the town road, it can drop low, but if you're going into the country area, you can carry it up.
Hydraulics and all?
Yes.
Alright, so there's 33 at the back. What is that?
Oh, it shows the percentage of every battery that is in it. So it is low now. I wanted to attend joggers to build motor vehicles and other stuff. Because I wanted to make the real ones. I wanted to make new models of vehicles. But I don't have the resources. If I could get to go to a school that do robotics engineering, that would be a big help for me. Because the reason why I wanted to make motor vehicles is because Jamaica don't make those stuff, and I wanted Jamaica to at least make motor vehicles.